Hajimashite onegaishimasu. Watashi wa Indo kara Maruti Suzuki no corporate affairs no hedo desu. Rahul Bharti desu. Ladies and gentlemen, can you kindly load the presentation? Ladies and gentlemen, one of my tasks in corporate affairs in Maruti Suzuki is to think jointly along with the government how we can develop a vibrant, thriving manufacturing ecosystem. I'm 53 years old and my life has two parts. I spent the first 21 years in UP, growing up as a child and from school and from IIT that Madam mentioned. The second part is I've been working with Maruti Suzuki for the past 32 years. An Indo-Japanese company, and one of my tasks is thinking along with the government how to develop a thriving ecosystem for manufacturing in the country. And I can tell you that long back, UP was not a very great place which attracted manufacturing ecosystem. But about 9 years ago, a mega transformation change happened to UP. That was the coming of a new government. And under the leadership of Chief Minister Shri Yogi Adityanath ji, the one thing he mentioned, he wants to make UP number one in every area. And a few years later, we actually saw the results. UP is actually number one in many areas. Ichiban. State revenues, financial discipline, mobile manufacturing, road expressway network, agriculture production, tree plantation, ethanol, handicraft export, tourism, and one very vibrant positive policy on electric and strong hybrid vehicle incentivization. UP became the number one state in India in growth for electric and hybrid vehicles. And interestingly, this did not come at the cost of government revenues. Government revenues actually increased. So this is the vibrant policy ecosystem of UP. And while these are visible, there are some deeper level strengths of UP which we have been able to understand. What are these? I think the strongest part of UP is the leadership. A leadership which is visionary, decisive, and strong. Of course, the law and order is and discipline is excellent. Because of this, the speed of decision making and execution in the government is very fast. And because of that, infrastructure has grown, and you were able to see in the video. UP is also naturally blessed with a lot of engineering talent, many engineering colleges, and skilling also. And it is also blessed with fertile soil, with many rivers and agriculture and all agri-related industries, therefore. And Maruti Suzuki also has a great presence in UP. A large part of our manufacturing ecosystem, companies like Subros, like Denso, and Spark, Minda, Motherson, Sumi, many vibrant manufacturing auto component sectors who supply components to us are based in UP. We also have interventions in UP. We pick up from skilling, from automated driving test tracks. We have a vehicle scrappage and recycling center, and we think UP can make a great leader in world in compressed biogas and biofuel production, both ethanol and compressed biogas. And this is also because the senior government welcomes investors in UP. And a small example I wanted to show you. This is Maruti Suzuki Chairman, Mr. Bhargav, our MD, Takeuchi-san, and we have a global partnership with Toyota. The chairperson of Toyota joint venture in India. And you can see the Honorable Chief Minister welcoming, and all the investors seem to be happy. And immediately after this meeting, there's a small slide I wanted to show you. The school where I studied in UP, in Lucknow, in the capital, 40 to 50 years ago, I took my managing director to that school, and this is in Lucknow. So I'm made in UP, and I believe all of us can make in India and make in UP.